In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in HubSpot account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in HubSpot.com, press enter. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of HubSpot. So if you want to log into your account, it is actually very simple. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for login. Click on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the login interface of HubSpot. From here, you'll be able to log in to your account. You'll be able to find the login methods like email address, Google, Microsoft, Apple and SSO. Simply click on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to enter my email address. If you also want to do that, click on the field of email address and enter the email address over here. Now after you do that, click on this option next that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll have to enter your password. Simply click on the field of password and enter the password over here. If you have forgotten your password, click on this option, forgot my password, and you'll be able to recover it. Recover the password and enter it over here. If you want this browser to remember you, check on this box remember me that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, click on this option login that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll easily be logged into your account. So that is how you log in HubSpot account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.